What's up guys, it's Jonathan at Platinum Motorsport on Melrose. Back again with another completed project. Judging by the vehicle and the color, you may guess it belongs to a certain someone. 90% chance you're right. So I don't know for how long you've been following us, but this was one of the vehicles that was delivered on Christmas morning to this client that was wrapped in matte silver or satin silver. It came back in for a full color change. Original car color was shiny black. We took the whole car apart, put it into paint production, reassembled the car complete to the customer's spec, which is exactly how she wanted it. So as you can see, it's a Tempest Gray Rolls-Royce factory color just to match her fleet of other cars. Lowered on 24-inch dual block forged SRX 06 wheels. Everything was completely stripped down and painted, including all the chrome trims, chrome and silver accents, all the Maybach logos. It's completely painted, body color, everything to match just the way she likes. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is probably a very work-intensive truck to deal with, and it came out really nice. So hopefully you guys enjoy.